Welcome back to NextWave Tech, where we break down the future of technology before it becomes your everyday reality. Today, we're diving into a breakthrough that could fundamentally change how we interact with software, automation, and artificial intelligence. Imagine setting up powerful, multi-step automations as easily as sending a simple text message. No coding. No complex dashboards. Just natural conversation. That's exactly what a new AI agent system called Poke is aiming to deliver. At its core, Poke represents a major shift in how humans communicate with machines. Instead of relying on traditional interfaces, buttons, menus, or scripts, this system allows you to describe what you want in plain language. You're no longer programming software. You're simply telling it what to do. For example, you could say, when I receive an email from a client, summarize it, save the key details, and notify me, and the AI handles the entire workflow instantly. What makes this truly powerful is the rise of AI agents, intelligent systems that don't just respond to commands but can take initiative, chain together actions, and interact with multiple tools at once. Poke is part of this new wave, where AI moves beyond being reactive and becomes proactive, operating more like a digital assistant that understands intent, context, and outcomes. For beginners, this removes one of the biggest barriers in tech: complexity. You no longer need to understand APIs, scripting languages, or automation platforms. If you can explain your goal clearly, you can build it. That opens the door for entrepreneurs, creators, and everyday users to harness tools that were once limited to developers. For professionals, the implications go even deeper. Poke has the potential to dramatically accelerate workflows, reduce development time, and eliminate repetitive tasks. Instead of spending hours wiring together systems, engineers and teams can focus on higher-level strategy while the AI handles execution. It essentially compresses the distance between idea and implementation. Under the hood, systems like Poke rely on advanced large language models, real-time data integration, and secure API orchestration. That means the AI isn't just understanding your request, it's actively connecting services, making decisions, and adapting as conditions change. This is where automation evolves into true intelligence. But with that power also comes important questions. How do we ensure accuracy? What safeguards are in place when AI is making decisions across systems? And how do we balance convenience with control? These are the challenges that will define the next phase of AI adoption. One thing is clear: we are entering a new era where interacting with technology feels less like operating a machine and more like collaborating with an intelligent partner. And if platforms like Poke continue to evolve, the way we work, build, and automate could change faster than most people expect. This isn't just an upgrade to automation. It's a complete reimagining of how humans and software connect. And for anyone paying attention, this is a signal of where the future is headed.